Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text behind a person or object in Premiere Pro. Before I start, make sure you have the official version of Premiere Pro to do this. If you don't, links are going to be in the description box below. So the first thing you'll need to do is add a text layer on top of your subject. Click on text, type whatever you want, and then resize it or change the font until you're satisfied. Next, duplicate the bottom video layer and place it on top of the text layer. The easiest way to do this is by holding Alt and dragging the bottom clip upward so that it duplicates. Now select the top video layer and then click on Object Mask tool and click on the subject you want to mask. In this example is the person in the frame. After that, go to Effects Control and click on Tracked Selected Mask Forward. Premiere Pro will take a moment to track the subject, so just wait until it finishes. Once tracking is done, drag the object mask under opacity. And that's it. Your text will now appear behind the person. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.